Hey everyone, today, we'll demonstrate how to upgrade the storage and memory in MSI Modern 16SI Plus G3MG. Let's start by preparing the following tools to make the process easier and safer during the upgrade. A plastic prying tool, screwdriver with Phillips number 1 and T5 Torx bit and an anti-static wrist strap or gloves. Also, make sure you get the correct SSD and memory specifications for your laptop to ensure compatibility. For the Modern 16SI Plus G3MG, it supports up to 64 GB of memory across two memory slots and features AM2 SSD slots, which support NVMe PCIe Gen 4. Before you begin pulling everything apart, please make sure that your laptop is turned off and the adapter connector to the laptop is removed. Long press the power button over 25 seconds to cut off battery power. The battery power will be successfully cut off and it will not turn on unless you connect the adapter back. Remember to take note of all of the screws of which hole is removed from, as they slightly different. We suggest you grab a piece of paper and put it next to the laptop. When you remove each screw, just place it on the corresponding spot on the paper. That way you can keep track of where it goes. Using the screwdriver, unscrew the back cover of the laptop. The laptop contains a total of 4 screws. After removing all the screws, use the plastic prying tool to lift the bottom door from the corner side to detach the hook. Then gently detach the hook through the cases from the left and right sides to remove back cover. Disconnect battery cable. To upgrade the SSD, follow the steps. Remove the screw. Remove the SSD. Insert the new SSD into the SSD slot with a miter angle. Screw the screw back. If you want to upgrade the RAM, here is how you do it. Remove the memory shielding case. Press the slot hooks with both hands, then remove the memory. Insert the new memory into the memory slot with a miter angle. Reassemble the memory shielding case. Just reverse the process of how you dismantle it to assemble cover back. Make sure that all the screws and cables return to their original position. Let's boot up the system to ensure that the upgrades were successful. Connect the laptop to AC power, press the power button, and repeatedly hit the delete key to enter BIOS. Select storage information to view information on the newly installed SSD. Back to the main page, select system information and roll down to view the newly installed memory. That's how you upgrade the storage and memory on the MSI Modern 16SI Plus G3MG. Once everything is secured, you're ready to power on and enjoy the upgrade.